Mr. Buffett over here. Good morning. I'm Alan Maxwell. I live in Omaha. When you walk down the street, heads turn to watch you. Do you ever get tired of being Warren Buffett? If you could come back again, would you want to be Warren Buffett?
I think I'd probably want to be Mrs. B. She made it to 104, so And incidentally, I think there were 3 siblings at her funeral. That's some set of genes. You don't have to worry about the furniture mart. No, you see a lot of the publicity bit here for a couple of days around the time of the meeting, but life goes on in a very normal way, and I've had a lot of fun. I have fun every day of my life. I had a lot of fun when I was 25, but I have just as much fun now, and I think I'll, if my health stays good, it'll keep being the same way, because I get to do what I want to do, and I get to do it with people I like and admire and trust, and it doesn't get any better than that. Charlie, do you want to come back as Lieutenant Jones?
I think there are very few people who would change their skin for somebody else's. I think we all want to play our own games.
We'll go to zone 2 with those remarks.